Hello everyone, how's it going? It's me Tangociss back from our hotel room tour. This time we're in Spain for a week's holiday, so as always, here's a nice room tour. First thing we're going to show off here is of course the bathroom. We have quite a nice bathroom for stuff here, so there's our sink, the bathroom and the shower itself. It should be fun enough. And then over here is of course the living room area, so I'm here with my brother, so we have two single beds. And then here's all of our stuff. Our wardrobes, if I show you this here real quick. If we can get this open. These ones are a pain to do. So we have our wee safe, suitcase. And over here at the other side here is of course the clothes and whatnot. No, I'll worry about this thing later. There we go. Here's our clothes and whatnot for dinner and all that. Have to keep things fancy as per the dress code, you see. We also have quite a nice sofa too, so probably be on that later playing games or watching stuff and whatnot. And of course, the part that I'm sure most people would be interested in, this is hard to work with one hand while I'm recording, is of course, you've guessed it, the actual balcony view. So as you can see, we actually have quite the darn good balcony view. My brother said he didn't want to be in it, so I'll try not to put him in it. So as you can see, here's quite the nice room view. There's the pool down there. And here's our wee entertainment area for the shows on at night. We're actually pretty good. So I'll just give a wee quick look over one last time. Quite like it here. It's, you know, good food, good weather, and all that fun stuff. So there we go. Gonna head on back in just to end off things. So that's pretty much about it for today's hotel room tour video. If you guys liked, be sure you like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you lovely people next time.